Good afternoon.
안녕하세요. 아틀란타에 있는 부동산 브로커 주디입니다. 大家好, 我是房地产 주디. 오늘은 우리 BPR의 새로 나온 리스팅 Roswell에 있는 아주 좋은 근사한 집 소개해드리고 싶어서 나왔는데요. 우리 리스팅 에이전트 마이크를 모셨습니다.
Hello, my name is Mike BEERNIK. I'm with VPR United Realty, and welcome to this beautiful home located at 820 Hedgegate Court in Roswell, Georgia. And this home has 6 bedrooms, 7 full baths, and 2 half baths. It has a beautiful finished terrace level, and wait till you see the back with the pool and the jacuzzi. You guys are gonna love it.
Yeah, I can't wait to see the inside.
All right.
Let's go.
Hey, hello again.
Hello again.
Welcome to this beautiful home. And what you see here is the elegant foyer with a very high vaulted cathedral ceiling. Take a good look at that chandelier. It's fabulous. Right here is the office, and it is so elegant. Look at the beautiful judges paneling, the coffered ceilings, all the crown molding. And this is one of 5 fireplaces in this very beautiful home.
그리고 여기 메인 플로어에는 half bathroom이 2개 있어요. 왜냐면 너무 커서 집이 너무 커서 이 게스트가 오시면은 이게 스플릿하게 half bathroom 2개 있고 여기는 conversation room이라고 그래요. 그리고 여기는 formal dining room.
Let's take a look at the kitchen. We have a busy kitchen today, and as you can see, there's plenty of counter space. Now, one of the more unique features of this home is the flooring is heated. So you'll take a look at the tile flooring. It's heated underneath that, which is very, very, very unique, and it's a very special feature for a home like this. You can see the big island with the sink. There's also, when you come around here, there's a wine cooler. They have a Wolf 6-burner Wolf stove and the Sub-Zero refrigerator built in, along with the built-in oven and built-in microwave. Walk-in pantry. You could get lost in this pantry. So if we can come all the way back here, it's huge. Off the kitchen is the keeping room with another vaulted ceiling, and I'm going to go ahead and let Judy comment on this. Judy, what do you think of this space?
This is very cozy.
Over here on the hall, we have the second half bath right here. Very unique to have 2 half baths, ideal for entertaining. In this area is the laundry. And then it opens out here, over to this door, leads to the 3-car garage.
Oh, okay.
And you can see he actually uses his electric charger over in the corner. I think he's probably going to take that with him. But there's also a sprinkler system. You can see the Rainbird system inside the garage. Hey, I'm back. Right over here, we're still on the main level. It's unbelievable. But this is the office. Great place to work. Much of this house is covered with plantation shutters. In fact, I would say the majority of it is. And one of the other unique features of this home is there are 2 staircases. There's that amazing staircase in the foyer, and this is the second staircase here.
Outdoor space 보여드릴게요.
You'll be amazed at this outdoor space. It's a true outdoor living room, family room, incredible living space.
Wow,
and it
look at this
overlooks what you're going to find amazing is a fabulous in-ground gunite pool, and it also has a jacuzzi on the side. You can see the stacked stone detail around that jacuzzi, and there's a waterfall from that jacuzzi down to the pool.
Oh, okay, from that side.
Yeah, and the lot itself is a little over 2 acres. You can see there's a wrought iron fence in the back, and it's absolutely private. And in the summertime, you can't even see the neighbors at all.
Yeah.
Let's take a look at the master suite. If you come into the master suite, you can see in the corner, we have another fireplace.
Yeah.
Like I had said, there's 5 fireplaces in this home. And there's a doorway that leads to the covered deck, which overlooks the in-ground pool. Then if you turn around back this way, you'll be able to see the his and her bathroom. Okay, hers over here, his over there, or however you want to organize it. Let's go to hers first. These bathrooms are separated by a beautiful tiled shower with glass door. This is, and you're standing right in the doorway through to the closet, right over here. Back here, this is the his bathroom.
It's obviously smaller.
Well, that's usually what they do. That's what a lot of times husbands do. Okay, so back here we have the closet. And if you want to open up some more closet space with shelving, it's like a super huge medicine chest. Let's go upstairs where you're going to find 4 suites, a loft, a bonus room, and more fantastic space. Over here we have the loft area with more built-ins. And you'll note, again, built-ins all over this house, just fantastic built-in shelving. We also have, you notice the hardwood floors in the hallway. And when you look down, this is really an awe-inspiring view, looking down at the foyer, at the dining room, and at the conversation room / living room. Just an incredible view. Check this out, guys. Here is one of the suites upstairs, and you'll notice by going around, you'll see that it has its own full bath, and there is a closet, and I would call this a walk-in, a little walk-in closet. It's kind of a decent-sized walk-in closet. And notice that crown molding in the ceiling. Isn't that fantastic?
Yeah, this arch hallway, love that feature.
I like that too. I like the arch that goes out. This is a little bit bigger suite upstairs. So, and maybe a little bigger closet as well. Bathroom is over here in the corner. Another suite here, guys. It's nice to have that high ceiling in secondary bedrooms, don't you think? If you turn around, you can see that the bathroom and the closet, another walk-in closet. Right here. You'll notice the high ceiling, vaulted area. You have 2 doors back here, and this is kind of fun. You have extra storage for maybe the holidays. So if you're going to hide those presents, you might have a place to hide them, okay? Then back in this area, you have the bathroom and a good-sized walk-in closet.
Oh my God.
With a pocket door, which I think is a unique feature. This is a big closet back here, guys. Through here is the bonus room. The owner of the home is working right now, so I'm not going to disturb him. But off to the side here is a cedar closet. And my wife loves cedar closets. Holly, why do you love cedar closets so much?
That's where you can keep your wool stuff so it doesn't get eaten by moths, and it's better than mothballs because it doesn't smell as bad.
Aha! So you don't have to worry about mothballs and smelly mothballs. Have your clothes in the cedar closet, and it is a big cedar closet.
Off the foyer, this leads you to the finished terrace level.
Let's go take a look. Here we are in the finished terrace level. Let's take a look at the rec room first. Look at this open space. We have a beautiful rec room, and it's a great place to play pool, have games, have pinball machines. Wonderful for entertaining. And then what you can't see, what you'll see when you come here to the rec room, is it opens up to a fabulous den with a fireplace and more built-in shelving. You'll see this built-in shelving all over this incredible home. And then over in this space right here is a full bar. You can notice the countertops, they're fantastic countertops. Glass cabinetry, they have the wine shelf. Perfect for entertaining. Heading toward the wine cellar, and when you're done drinking wine, here's the bathroom. This is the full bath down in the basement. And I'm going to tell you something that's so cool about this bathroom. Are you ready? This doorway and this doorway goes basically straight out to the pool area. So it's so convenient. You can come straight out here, it's tile on the floor, boom, straight out to the pool.
Oh, I see.
Which is really nice. So you don't have people drip dropping all over the house. Do you agree? Good. Downstairs, this is the basement suite. Do you want to tell them about the basement suite, Judy?
So here is, I also noticed this house mainly is hardwood floors, right?
Mainly is, that's correct.
Yes. And then, so this is a guest suite in the basement with a full bath, right?
And it does have a full bath, that is correct. There are 4 suites in this home. All the bedrooms have their own baths. Down the hall we go. What do you think of this flooring?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
It's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Kind of tile type of flooring. Over here through these double doors is the wine cellar. Absolutely fabulous, spacious.
Wow.
You can see they have a few empty racks, so you guys got to come on over here and fill it up full of wine. Open the doors, and what do we have? We have a theater. Hold on, guys. The lights are coming on. Lights, camera, action. This is your full theater here with a screen and a projector.
Very cozy.
Yeah. You can make popcorn. I feel like having some popcorn now. And back here we have, this is one of the storage spaces. It's just so everybody knows, there is a pretty good amount of storage space, and there's like 3 different areas for storage space in this home. And this just happens to be one of them. Look at this workout room. Mirrored right over here. Beautiful, beautiful amount of space. And frankly, this could be another bedroom as well, couldn't it? So really, if you take the bonus from upstairs, and you could, if someone didn't want to use this as a workout room, wanted to use the bonus from upstairs, it could potentially say you had 2 more bedrooms on this. So we could say 8 bedrooms. Closet area is very spacious back here. Nice amount of space. Okay. We're not done with the basement yet. Come on back here. Back here is the music room.
Music room?
Music room.
Oh.
Great place to jam. You can play guitar, play piano, organ, any number of instruments. And notice it's kind of isolated, so you're not going to have as much sound resonating throughout the house. And in fact, off the music room is a little more storage space. What I want to impress upon everybody is that there's plenty of storage space in this home. Thank you for viewing this incredible home. We love having you come to our tour. The price on this property is $2,950,000. 6 bedrooms, 7 full baths, 2 half baths, finished terrace level, pool and jacuzzi outside, great outdoor living space, large 3-car garage. This home has about anything you'd want. What do you think, Judy?
It's great.
감사합니다.
감사합니다.
Did I do it?